How to create your July dump photo trend on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create your July dump photo trend on Instagram. Now, this is not specific to July. You can use it in whichever month you want. It's completely up to you, but it is known as July dump photo trend. So let's just keep that name that way. So let us begin. To create your July dump photo trend, you'll need to first open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're there, simply tap on add a story, and after you're on your Instagram, simply tap on add story to add a story. After you're on your Instagram, simply tap on add story to add a story. After you do that, simply take a picture or simply add a picture from your gallery. Now what you'll need to do is you will see this icon right here, the stickers icon. Tap on that. Now right here you will see a lot of different options that you can use to put in on your story. Now the one that we want to add is add yours. This is the one. So simply choose on add yours. And what you'll need to do here is add July dump. Now you can just make a dump picture by making different collages of your different pictures and simply add it on the story instead of this black screen right here, and simply add July dump. Now what you can do here is after you correctly place it, you can tap on add your story. Now after this story gets added, what you can do, or what other people who see your story can do, is tap on add yours, and they can keep on adding story in their story, and that is how this trend works. And that is basically all for the video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Take care.